You made contact with us. What is your name and badge number?
You made contact. That's policy.
Garcia, what is your badge number?
You need to leave the property. If
it says public property. I am conducting business.
You should leave.
If you were putting, I saw you coming from over here. Were you putting that camera over that wall?
So if I don't leave the property, you're going to throw me under arrest?
Yes.
I'm not. I'm talking to the Sarge.
I'm giving you a lawful order.
Okay.
You have no legitimate business here.
Okay. What would be the crime? What would you arrest me for? Just so I know, for the record.
Disorderly conduct.
I'm talking to the sergeant.
If you don't know your rights, this could happen to you. Subscribe. We break down exactly what the law says. A man walks into a government building with a camera, legally. Within minutes, 3 police units surround him. They screamed HIPAA. They threatened arrest. They said he had no right to be there. But here's the problem. Every single one of them was wrong. And in Phoenix, a cop tried to kick 2 auditors off public property. But what he didn't know was they had footage of his own officers breaking the rules. Manchester, New Hampshire, Phoenix, Arizona. 2 cities, 2 confrontations, 1 question nobody could answer. What law are you using to make me leave? And then everything escalates.
Oh, piggyback. Woo, so it must be okay to piggyback right here. It's a security issue. Even at the police station, it's a security issue. Another piggyback.
You can totally run in because they don't have to listen to their own procedures.
All right, as you guys can see, we're standing pretty close to the gate. We're just recording the vehicles coming in and out. Again, outside of the gate, no trespassing where we're allowed to be. But there was one officer inside that kept kind of his eye on us and kept getting on the radio, kept kind of playing peekaboo. And we did go to the other side of the fence to document him. Unfortunately, once he seen us, he acted like, we weren't there. He just went upon his business. But shortly after, the Officer Garcia decides to show up. And here is the interaction with Officer Garcia. This is where it gets good, guys. Let me know what you think in the comments. What is your name and badge number?
I don't need to tell you.
What is your name and badge number? You're approaching me. If you're going to direct words to me, you made contact with us. What is your name and badge number?
You made contact. That's policy.
Garcia, what is your badge number?
You need to leave the property.
It says public property. I am conducting business.
You should leave.
If you were putting, I saw you coming from over here. Were you putting that camera over that wall?
Identify yourself.
Like
Who are you?
Yes.
Who are you? Who are you? What's your badge number?
Now.
Garcia.
What's your badge number?
5413.
Okay, stop giving unlawful orders. You're dismissed. You can go away. You're dismissed.
The officer's first move: identify yourself. Who are you? The auditor doesn't flinch. He turns it around instantly. What's your name and badge number? Under the First Amendment, citizens have no legal obligation to identify themselves without a lawful detention based on reasonable articulable suspicion, established in Terry v. Ohio, 392 U.S. 1, 1968. No crime, no suspicion, just a camera, and an officer who exposed himself by speaking first.
Who do you think you are right here? This is public property. We pay taxes. We pay this property. You don't pay this property. We pay this property.
You pay taxes?
Yeah, I do.
You do?
I do.
What do you
Why
do?
you
What do you do?
That's none of your business. It's none of your business what I do. But I pay taxes, know that. So I pay for this property. I don't care if you know.
Put the camera over the fence just like I can look through it. A little bit higher if you don't want that.
I'd like to.
Yeah, I bet you would. I bet you would, because you hate transparency. You hate accountability. Yeah. Hell yeah. You know how many of your officers, do you know, let me tell you, do you know how many of your officers have already violated that policy that you have right there on the door? Are you guys accountable for that? Do you hold your officers accountable? There's a policy that you have. There's a sign right on the gate.
Sorry, I can't hear you.
All right, we'll wait for that plane to pass. So you have a sign on your gate for security purposes to make sure that nobody piggybacks, nobody comes in behind you, right? It's right on the door. We can go take a look at it if you don't know what I'm talking about. How many of your officers do you check and hold accountable for the security of this facility? Since you want to come out here and keep your facility safe with us here with cameras, how many of your officers do you hold accountable?
We got plate after plate after plate.
How many do you hold accountable, Garcia? Answer the question. It's not that hard. It's not that hard.
That's transparency. When you don't like
You want to come out here and have a conversation? Let's have a conversation.
Don't try to intimidate me off of public property.
There's laws.
Okay?
Just like you have a... Well,
Exactly.
in fact,
So what law am I breaking? What law are you using? What law are you using to tell me to leave?
I'm simply saying...
You're simply,
you guys
right?
are
That's
trying
what
to
I thought.
look over
That's
the
what
wall,
I thought. So what?
you cannot.
So
Looking
what?
over is no different
So
than looking
what?
through the fence.
What are you gonna do about it?
That's actually...
Build it higher.
It's considered private
It's not.
property after that wall.
Are we in it? Are we in it?
You're looking over it. Just like I cannot
Did I climb
look
your wall to
over a
look
wall.
over it? Did I touch
I
the wall
can't
and
look
climb
over
it?
your...
No.
I can't come over your house and put a camera over your wall. Would you like that?
You could.
You could actually.
No.
Yeah,
You could.
Can't really.
My
You
house
could.
borders city property, so you could.
Well, if it's see-through, maybe, but I'm not supposed to look over.
You can actually stand at my fence and see.
I'm
over.
not supposed to do that. Okay, so say.
Are you talking about a
I'm just
citizen or a
asking you guys
cop?
to be civil.
No, you're not asking us to do anything. You're telling us to leave the property.
You were at the gate.
We're gonna go
I'm
right
not
back
sure
to the
what you
gate,
were
so
doing.
what?
I'm not sure what your intent was.
You don't need to know.
Yes, I do.
No, you don't.
If you enter that
Until
property,
something
you're
Did
going
we
in cuffs.
did we enter the property?
If you enter that property, you were going to go in cuffs.
Did we enter the
That's
property? Did you?
Stupid.
I don't know what your mentality is.
We know you're fucking
Yeah, we can see it from right here. You're a tyrant, bro. You're a fucking tyrant. You can see it in your face. Yeah, you're a tyrant, bro. You're fucking over here trying to. This is a First Amendment protected right that we have to document and encounter with the police. This is a publicly owned building who we pay taxes for. So it is our constitutional right. I don't care. It doesn't matter. I'm a citizen, am I not? I'm here in front of you, right?
Anytime
I
you
don't
buy
even know if
something
you're a
at a
citizen.
store, you
It
pay
doesn't
tax.
matter. Well, are you insinuating this? I don't know if you're a citizen. I don't know if if you're just wearing that costume. So you don't know shit, right? You don't know shit, yet you're out here assuming and you're telling me to leave like I'm not. So you're assuming like I'm not. Like I'm not a citizen, like I don't pay taxes.
I don't know.
So you're telling me, you're assuming I don't because you're asking me to leave. Exactly, exactly.
Just step in
Yeah.
the shit.
You sound stupid, man. You're dismissed. Get out of here.
What would you guys like? Maybe we can help you out.
We'd like for this tyrant just to get away from
What
us.
the deal is, you can film all you want, but if you
There-
can't come onto our property and start...
We were
putting
never
cameras
on your
over.
property.
Okay. I saw you at
We've
the
never
gate.
once-
At the
That's the
gate.
sign that
At the
said
gate,
you
absolutely,
can't
bro.
be-
I can be at the gate. I can be at the gate
So
all
you
day
can't be-
long. Do you know why the signs are on the gate and not on this side? Not past, not where I was standing. They're on the gate, right? Because you can. It's
That's
illogical.
fine.
It's
Hey, I
illogical.
believe the Constitution is the best thing there is.
I like that.
But you
I like
guys-
that statement.
You guys, we got to work together. Okay?
We do, man. But look, okay,
Sounds to me
if
like
look,
you're trying out here trying to
Look,
make us,
Martin.
make us angry.
Martin.
And we're not. You're not going to do it.
Martin, if you're willing to listen, I'll explain. Okay.
What would you like?
It is not our intent to upset you. It is not our intent to come and even have a conversation with you. However, we mirror what we're given. And this piece of shit, it is what it is.
What would you like from us?
It is what it is.
Would you like to any questions answered, or what would you like?
No, it's called accountability. Okay, so
About
what I'm doing here is holding you guys accountable for your own policies. Okay, simply an example like the gate that says no piggybacking. Yet I've seen officer after officer after officer doing it. So I'm here for accountability purposes. I entirely have business here. I'm entitled to this business, and you're not entitled to tell me to leave.
We have a person inside on a video camera watching every
Okay,
car
so that
comes
person
in.
is not doing their job. I'm here to tell you that right now.
11 minutes of pressure. Then this.
It's called accountability. I'm holding you guys accountable for your own policies.
Under the First Amendment, recording government officials in public is a constitutionally protected activity, affirmed in Glick v. Cuniff 655F.3D.78, 1st Sir, 2011. The piggybacking violations they documented weren't caught by Internal Affairs. They were caught by two citizens with a camera, standing exactly where they had every right to stand.
They're not doing their job and they're not doing it
I don't
right.
understand what you mean by that.
Okay, there's a security risk. The reason the sign is there is because it's a security purpose. Many companies, I've worked for many companies, and many companies have the exact same policy when it comes to gates.
And your complaint is that we are not stopping.
I've not arrived to the complaint yet, but I will have a written complaint about it. Yeah.
There's someone watching the gate at all times. We know there's only a certain amount of officers that work here. We know what kind of cars that everybody drives.
That doesn't make it okay, man. That doesn't make it okay. You need to understand
Well,
that doesn't
we'd
make it
like to-
okay.
If you would you could help out and vote, get us more officers, and we can put someone here and watch the gate.
Man.
Wait, what did he just say? Didn't he say something different a few minutes ago? Let's go back.
To tell me to leave.
We have a person inside on a video camera watching every
Okay,
car
so that
comes
person
in.
is-
If you would be, you could help out and vote, get us more officers, and we can have put someone here and watch the gate.
Man.
So what is it, Officer Martin? Do you already have someone watching the gate or not? I mean, cops pleading, guys. Come on.
And I can tell you this much, man. Phoenix needs no more officers.
I'm hoping.
You might be short-handed because of the numbers are low, but I watch you guys all the time, man.
Fifth largest city in the nation.
You guys got to, I mean, hey.
A third of what the officers have in Philadelphia.
I think 3,000 to 5,000 in a whole for the whole department.
Yeah,
you are. Your numbers are lower. I've checked that out compared to.
I'll tell you this much, man. We need good cops on the streets. We need good
got
cops.
triple.
We need police to hold people and themselves accountable.
We need good citizens, probably like yourselves.
Dude, hey, it's not our intent to come out here and have a
We
confrontation,
can't
man.
solve all the
We-
problems.
I've got 20 minutes of footage of a lot of your officers coming out and waving, and so there's a lot of us like, hell yeah. There's,
No.
Yeah, we've been giving them thumbs
We're
up,
just
bro.
out here to see if we can ask you, answer any of your questions.
I got one.
Okay?
I got a question then. I've noticed throughout the whole COVID thing, the lobbies not open or anything like that. Are they open now through Phoenix PD, or is it still kind of a closed lobby through the daytime?
It depends on what our manpower is. If you knock on their door, sometimes we can come to it.
Okay, so it's still not open door policy.
I don't believe so.
Okay.
In Phoenix, they couldn't name a single law he was breaking, so they walked away. The lesson: without reasonable, articulable suspicion, you are never required to identify yourself. Terry v. Ohio. But here's what most people don't realize. In the next video, a government office weaponizes HIPAA to silence a citizen in a public lobby. 3 police units show up, trespass threats follow, and every argument they have gets dismantled live on camera. What happens next changes everything.
And what is your name?
I don't get that. It's right here.
Oh, so you want everyone's name, but you don't want
Yeah,
to
you're a
provide
public
your
employee.
information?
Yeah.
Okay.
All
So
your
they're gonna
information is
ask
public.
You have an open case.
Okay. Do I have to have an open case to ask them questions?
No, but if they do, they
What
just
if I
have
want to
research
file a
it
report or a
before.
complaint or something?
Onto it.
Are you DCYF?
Nope.
Then why do I have to get that information?
Okay. Let me see if anybody's available.
So you're still going to restrict me from this?
Yes.
I'm not talking to you. I'm talking to the sergeant. He's in charge here, along with me.
I'm sure he's going to tell you the same thing.
Okay. Well, let him speak for himself. He's a big boy, isn't he? Are you still trespassing me, Sarge, or?
You have to leave the property.
I have to leave the property now.
Yes.
Why is that?
You have no business. No legitimate property.
So you don't see that me filming and recording on public property is not a crime? Do you know what I mean?
We've given you the information that you need.
Yeah.
We've given
I
you a
still
lawful order to leave
have
the premises. So at
I
this
still
point-
have other questions for
So
them.
at this point,
They're not
sir,
answering any more questions.
They're not going to answer any more
The
questions.
business is finished here today.
Okay. So if I don't leave the property, you're going to throw me under arrest?
Yes.
I'm not. I'm talking to the Sarge.
I'm giving you a lawful order.
Okay.
You have
And-
no legitimate business here.
Okay. What would be the crime? What would you arrest me for? Just so I know, for the record.
Disorderly conduct.
I'm talking to the sergeant.
Giving you a lawful order and you refused.
I'm not refusing to leave. I will leave the property.
Okay. All right.
But I need to know what charges you would. So trespassing and disorderly,
Disorderly conduct.
and trespassing,
No.
just disorderly conduct.
Disorderly conduct. I'm giving you a lawful
Okay.
order to leave.
All right. Huh. So where do I leave?
Just get off the property.
I don't-
Where you go?
Like over there? You want to walk in the
Stay
street?
out of the roadway.
Stay out of the roadway. Okay.
you could cross
But I
the-
have to. Yeah, I have to walk against traffic, right? Is that the law?
Cross the road and you could walk on the opposite side.
Drive her in a car?
I don't answer those type of questions.
Well, you should probably get in a car and
I don't have. I parachuted in.
Good.
Yeah.
Right, and
Yeah.
you just walk.
Okay.
All right.
We all good?
Yep.
Can I walk you back to your vehicles and then?
Please do.
All right.
Make me feel safe.
Really? Oh man. See, look, the sergeant's scared. Oh man. They were scared because I was standing behind them. I thought it was funny. So you guys do know this is public property, city property. You did know I have legitimate business here. I made an appointment. You guys are now threatening to arrest me for
don't have
trespassing and
legitimate
disorderly conduct.
See, that's where we differ. You don't have a legitimate purpose.
I do. My rights to film here in public is definitely legitimate.
Nobody
It's
in
actually,
that building says you have a legitimate purpose.
well, they don't determine that, sir. The Constitution does. And as long as I'm not breaching the peace, screaming, yelling, swearing, you can't charge me with any crime.
You might want to look up disorderly conduct.
I have.
Okay.
I've beaten those charges several times too.
Okay.
And your bullshit jaywalking and the trespassing over at the post office. Remember that?
No,
No? You should look into it then.
I'm good.
I have enough stuff to do.
Nah. Babysitting your puppies over here. So I'll contact my attorney. They're not allowing me to make an appointment.
Guys, I'm here at the New Hampshire Department of Health and Human Services. This is the Manchester District Office. Here we go. Just remind me how good the quality is while I'm in here for safety purposes. Thank you, guys. It's open till 4.
How you doing?
Good. Can I help you?
Yeah, as I was before, just trying to get some information on the services that you're providing and any.
Services that we provide?
Yeah.
Sure. This is an application,
Okay.
and it shows you.
You don't have a problem with me recording, do you?
No. It's my job. So you can apply for food stamps. You can apply for cash. You
Okay.
can apply for child care. You can apply for home nursing care. You can apply
Okay.
for Medicare.
And do you need to make an appointment for these, or?
No, what you do is you fill that application out, then you go sign in at the kiosk, and then somebody calls you, and we schedule you an appointment over the phone.
Oh, so you don't do scheduled appointments?
Well, so we schedule the appointment.
Okay.
And then what we do is because we're booked out because the holidays.
Yeah, I
and
understand.
everything like that. So what we do is we schedule you an appointment, and then on the day of your appointment, a caseworker will call you.
Okay.
They'll go over everything that you put in your application.
Okay.
They'll answer any questions you have. They'll give you a list of verifications that you need to provide. And
Okay.
you need to provide a file.
All right. All right. Well, I appreciate it. Do you guys have a business card at all, or a supervisor?
Unfortunately, no, we don't.
No supervisor business cards?
No.
Okay.
I've been here over a year, and I've never seen one.
Okay. So what are you guys doing to protect people's privacy in general?
We allow people to record as we are speaking to other clients.
That's how that works?
Well, I mean, nobody can get a hold of anything. We're behind locked doors.
Yeah, no, I understand that. But what I'm saying is that, we talk about HIPAA, right? And people's privacy, which is, I'm all for. The last thing I want, obviously, is people, unlike myself, just anybody, is to get that information. But what you guys need to understand is that the onus of that responsibility to keep private is on you.
Which we do.
I understand that, but you guys try to throw that onto me like I'm violating HIPAA by recording.
That on you. Exactly.
Well, by trying to trespass me from this building while it's a public building. So what my concern, okay, is that
I'm not saying.
I know you are. I'm trying to get my words together. So you guys need to keep that private as much as possible at any point in time during the day, if somebody's in here recording or not, right? Especially if somebody's recording. But just because somebody's up here conducting business with you, it doesn't mean that I have to stop recording because of it. It just means that you have to do your job just a little bit more better than you were prior just because of somebody recording. Do you understand what I'm saying?
I understand
So
what you're saying.
you can write things down. Social security numbers, phone numbers, addresses, names, all of that stuff. You could have literally somebody write that down instead of verbally throwing it out to the general public.
Which we do.
That's all I'm trying to say. Do you understand what I'm saying now? But you can't tell me I can't record in here because of that situation.
I didn't say you couldn't record, did I?
The office did. That's why the police were here.
Okay.
Do you know what I mean?
Yeah.
At the
Is
time.
there something else that I can help you with, or?
No, I just want you guys to get a better understanding of public photography and that we have a right to be in here, no matter if you're.
Okay, great. I
You
will
know-
make sure that your concerns are known.
Yeah, because the fines for violating HIPAA is very steep for you guys.
Okay.
So I just,
I will let them
But
know.
we can't violate HIPAA. That's impossible. It's literally impossible for a citizen to violate HIPAA laws. It's all on you guys.
Okay.
So just keep that in mind, okay?
All right.
And I hope we don't have another issue at any point in time.
Have a good day.
Thank you.
Happy Thanksgiving.
You too.
2 cities, 2 confrontations, 1 outcome. When they couldn't name a single law, they had nothing. The First Amendment doesn't care how many badges show up. It only cares whether you know it. Know why an order is unlawful. That is the difference between walking free and being arrested for nothing. Freedom is not something you ask for. It is something you use. If this happened to you, share it below. Subscribe now because the next case is worse and you need to be ready. This is ID Refusal Live, where knowing your rights is your greatest weapon.